Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a calm and inspiring story. The title of today's story is The Small Library. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary, and practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. In a quiet town, there was a small library. The building was old. The shelves were full of books, but not many people came there. The library was often empty. The librarian, Mr. Harris, felt a little sad. "I wish more people would visit," he said. One afternoon, a young girl named Lily walked in. She looked around with bright eyes. "Wow," she whispered. "So many books." Mr. Harris smiled. "Welcome," he said. Lily walked slowly between the shelves. She picked up a book and started reading. Time passed quickly. From that day, Lily came to the library every afternoon. She read stories. She learned new things. She loved the quiet place. One day, Lily had an idea. "Why don't we tell more people about this library?" she said. Mr. Harris looked surprised. "That's a good idea," he said. Lily made small posters. "Visit the library," they said. She shared them at school and told her friends. Soon, more students came. They read books. They talked quietly. They enjoyed the peaceful place. The library became lively again. Mr. Harris smiled happily. "Thank you, Lily," he said. "You changed everything." Lily smiled. "I just wanted to share something special," she said. She learned that a small action can make a big difference. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. Library. A library is a place where people read or borrow books. Example: Lily visits the library. Librarian. A librarian is a person who works in a library. Example: Mr. Harris is a librarian. Shelf. A shelf is where books are placed. Example: the books are on the shelf. Poster. A poster is used to share information. Example: Lily made posters. Now let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. There was a small library. Not many people visited. Lily came and loved the place. She told her friends. More people came. The library became lively. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I like reading books. This library is quiet. Let's go to the library. Books are very interesting. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Small Library. Remember, small actions can create big changes. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.